Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you in Journey of Honor, Journey of Pride, and Journey of Celebration with Brand Icon in association with Wedding Icon presents International Fame Award 2021 India. The most important part of any award show is the award trophy. Most elegant trophy of the night is designed by Wedding Icon. It's time to celebrate the journey of your success. Fully packed up with surprises, fun, music and achievements. The journey of International Fame Awards India. With celebrity chief guest, most dynamic person, the helping hand for millions who became the savior for millions in pandemic. None other than the real hero, Mr. Sonu Sood. Ladies and gentlemen, the most important part of any award show is the award stage. This is the place which makes you feel special, which makes you feel proud, and which makes you feel tall, among others. So just have a look. What a beautiful stage of this evening. What a creation. A lot of hard work has gone behind this. So just wait and watch for those lucky ones who will get chance to be on it.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's the time that we all supposed to stand up and welcome none other than the man who himself proven the sake for humanity, the legendary actor, the man with a great soul and with a heart. Please make some noise for Sonu Sood. इससे पहले सर कुछ कहें एक बार तालियां प्लीज एवरीवन कम ऑन.
Let's make this evening very special, very powerful, and all thanks to all the organizers who gave me a chance to meet all these heroes. So keep the good work going. I love you all and bless you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Please एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Naresh sir and Sohani ma'am. Please kindly come and give the token of love to Sonu sir once again. Please. The next international winner is from the Best Stock Market Training Institute of the Year, and the award goes to MS Profit from it, Mr. Piyush J. Patel.
The next edition of International Fame Awards will be in the most happening place of world. It's Dubai.